with the word consciousness. We're all conscious beings. Hopefully everybody is conscious at this moment. Okay? So, consciousness or being alive or what is called sentience is the same thing as spirit. Without consciousness, there's no life. Life and consciousness are synonymous. It is because of consciousness that we have any experience whatsoever. So,
the meaning of quantum physics is really in terms of giving us a new worldview that shows clearly how consciousness can be and is the ground of our being. In other words, quantum physics enables us to see directly that we can make sense of the world only if we base the world on consciousness. World is made of consciousness. World is consciousness. Consciousness is the ground of being. Quantum physics makes this as clear as daylight.
So let's start thinking about consciousness a bit, what we mean by consciousness. Consciousness, and it's the one thing we cannot deny, is the fact that we are conscious. It's probably the only absolute certainty we have is that we are experiencing beings. I mean, right now, for example, we could all be plugged into the Matrix and just be having this wonderful simulated experience of sitting here in this room. So we could actually doubt whether this is real. But we couldn't doubt that we were still experiencing. It may be an illusion, but we're still experiencing. In fact, that's what Descartes saw with his famous cogito ergo sum. He was looking for the absolute truth. And he found he could doubt everything, any idea, any philosophy. He even doubted he had a body. He doubted his experience. And this is 350 years before virtual reality. And then he realized the one thing he couldn't doubt was that he was experiencing.
Technologically speaking, quantum physics is, the cat's pajamas. It's the major theory of our Western world today in terms of science. What it told us is that if the universe is not made of things, then how does it come into being? And the answer seems to be it comes into being when an observer observes anything in it. So it's opened up the door to fantastical kind of thinking, new ways of envisioning, and opens this door to, well, how is it that an observer, by looking, can change what's being looked at?
This field of pure consciousness is a field of knowingness, and it's like an intuition. So when you start experiencing it and it grows, intuition grows. And Agent Dale Cooper had quite a good intuition going. And this is one of the things that I've found. I've been meditating for 32 years, and this thing for the filmmaker, this thing of knowing, and it's like an ocean of solutions. You dive in there, and these solutions come. You can see a thing, you can think and feel a thing, and see solutions to make it feel correct. Money in the bank for the filmmaker and for any human being.